Hey breather, welcome to this daily 15-minute breathwork pranayama flow. We're going to begin activating and energizing with Sufi breathing, a double inhale through the mouth and a passive exhale, letting go through the mouth. We're going to start slow and build into a pace, then end that round with Bahya into Antara, Kumbhaka, including bandhas if you like. We'll then cleanse with Kapalbhati Pranayama with the right hand on the belly, active exhalation, forcing the belly button towards the spine with a passive inhalation, just allowing the belly to rebound. And repeating this will then relax and cool with Sheetali Pranayama, rolling the tongue to form a cooling tube and breathing in through that tube on the inhalation and out the nose on the exhalation, extending each side as long as feels comfortable. We'll then end with a Prana Shakti bath to integrate and embody bliss. Begin by finding a comfortable and accessible seated meditation posture. Try some rocket fuel to clear your sinuses and prepare your respiratory system to deepen your breath practice. This delicious and wholesome natural product is produced in New Zealand with ingredients like manuka honey, deionized water, menthol crystals, apple cider vinegar, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, lemon oil, and aloe vera. It's like a warm hug for your respiratory system and is the secret to deepening your breath practice. Exclusive discount link for you in the description below. Find a comfortable and accessible seated meditation posture. For guidance on how to sit during meditation, click the link above to select the right position for you. With that confident, erect, upright posture, tuck your chin in slightly and begin to witness that natural nasal breath. Feel the cool air enter and slightly warmer air leave. Begin to notice any rise and fall in the chest or the belly, and simply witness the flow of the breath as it happens without any influence required. Simply witnessing what happens as it occurs without any expectation whatsoever. Prepare to energize and activate with a round of Sufi breathing. Exhale completely, double inhale through the mouth, followed by a passive exhalation through the mouth. Find a flow that connects you with that life force within you, an energizing tempo that uplifts you, that challenges you without pushing you into struggle or strain, and become that flow. Ride that wave of energy. No thinking, just doing, feeling that flow happen and connecting with a tempo that invigorates you, that uplifts you, that inspires you. No break inhales to exhales, riding the wave to the end of this round. Embrace that power, that passion of your life force being expressed with every breath. Ride that wave, embrace the sensations, and witness the changes that occur within. Final breath, and then moving into Bahya Kumbhaka, external breath hold by exhaling completely and emptying the lungs. Erect the spine, tuck the chin, and hold as you look into the third eye center. One pointed focus at that third eye center. Apply Mahabandha if it's part of your practice to deepen the effects. Now inhale, completely filling the lungs, Antara Kumbhaka, internal breath hold. Chin is tucked. You can apply Mula Bandha and send that energy up your spine as you stare into that third eye center, just being in that space. Now returning to a natural breath and just taking a moment between rounds to witness any sensations, any changes, and let that breath settle. Prepare to cleanse and circulate that energy with Kapalbhati Pranayama. Bring the right hand to the belly. Inhale to fill the belly. Then forcefully exhale through the nose. Passively inhale to fill and repeat this pattern, connecting with a tempo that's accessible and maintainable, just like you're climbing a mountain. Dropping into the powerful tempo that's right for you and feeling the energy move from the gut up the spine, that cerebrospinal fluid moving up the spine into the brain, cleansing that brain as well as the gut with every breath. Maybe that tempo increases, maybe it decreases, or maybe it simply stays the same as we progress to the end of this round. Make the most of every breath. Now returning to a natural breath and just taking a moment between rounds to witness any sensations, any changes, and let that breath settle. Notice how those sensations are fleeting. They arise and pass away, just like thoughts or emotions. Just witness them as they happen. Prepare to relax and cool with Sheetali Pranayama, forming a cooling tube by rolling the tongue in, inhaling as long as feels comfortable through that tongue, and then exhaling through the nose as long as feels comfortable. Give yourself permission to be completely immersed in that breath, witnessing the cool air pass through that tube, feeling the sensations as it passes down your windpipe and into your lungs, slowing the brain waves, calming the heartbeat, and letting go of tension. Acknowledge that release of toxins, tension, thoughts, emotions, beliefs that no longer serve you with every warm exhalation through the nose. Continue the breath in your own time and tempo. Maybe extending each side just a little bit more with one pointed focus on every breath. returning to a natural breath after that last exhalation, and connecting with an inner smile as you observe and acknowledge that inner spaciousness you've connected with by completely resetting your energetic system, energizing, cleansing, and relaxing, and finding that spaciousness within, that expanded sense of consciousness, that capacity to be right here, right now, in this moment. Now bringing the hands together in front of the body and rubbing them together vigorously to produce some heat between the palms of the hands. This Prana Shakti, this beautiful creative life force that we feel on that level of sensation as heat between the hands. We begin to rub it into the crown of the head, the scalp of the head, across the face, the neck, into every part of the body, down the arms, and feel it absorb in, and expressing a sense of self-love as you rub that beautiful energy into your skin, absorbing it to the deepest cell within the body. Now taking those hands and wrapping them around yourself to a big hug, and generating a deep sense, a wholehearted sense of self-love, gratitude that you've shown up for yourself today, that you've invested in your spirit, in your wairua, in embodying your highest form of being, your bliss, by connecting with that breath. Feel that sense of gratitude well up. Feel that self-love as you hold yourself in this moment. Bring the hands together in front of the forehead, acknowledging thoughts of bliss to yourself and everyone around you. Bring the hands down to the mouth to acknowledge words of bliss to yourself and everyone around you. And finally, bringing the hands to the heart center, acknowledging feelings of bliss emanating from your heart to yourself and everyone around you, sharing bliss from your heart. Stay blissed. Are you ready to unlock the next level of your breath practice? Imagine having a complete toolkit to enhance your mental, emotional, and physical well being, all through your breath. Our Breath is Bliss course is designed for those who already have a taste of breathwork and pranayama and are eager to take it to the next level. With 66 plus digestible lessons, we'll explore every aspect of the breath, equipping you with the ability to reverse engineer your physiology and unlock your highest form of being, bliss. Why choose Breath is Bliss? We have a blend of ancient wisdom and modern science. It's self paced with lifetime access. We'll give you techniques for energizing, cleansing, and relaxing, and also the skills and knowledge to build and adapt your bespoke, life changing breath practice. You'll also be part of a supportive online community of breathers. Join the Breath is Bliss community and start your journey to a deeper, more powerful breath practice. Sign up below. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It makes a big difference. Thank you.